Hello everyone, welcome to Maths Vedika. So today we are going to discuss question of differentiation asked in CBSE Examination 2004 and 2008. So let's start from question number 1. Here in question 1 we have differentiation of tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square with respect to sine inverse 2x by 1 plus x square. Okay, so let's take u is equal to tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square. Okay, and v is equal to sine inverse 2x by 1 plus x square. Okay, now here 2x by 1 minus x square, let's take the value of x as tan theta. Okay, so the moment will take x as tan theta, so 2x by 1 minus x square will become 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta, which is the formula of tan 2 theta. Okay, so let's take x is equal to tan theta. Okay, so u is equal to tan inverse 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. So this will become tan inverse, this is the formula of tan 2 theta, so this will become tan 2 theta. So tan inverse tan 2 theta is equal to 2 theta. Similarly, v is equal to sine inverse 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. So here 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta will be equal to sine 2 theta. So sine inverse sine 2 theta will be equal to 2 theta. So here u is equal to v is equal to 2 theta. So here function u and v are same. So now we have to differentiate u with respect to v. So du by dv is same as differentiating u with respect to u itself, because u and v are same, or differentiating v with respect to v itself. Okay, so differentiating first function with respect to second, where first and second function are same, so differentiation will be 1. This is similar as differentiating x with respect to x itself, or differentiating y with respect to y itself. So the value of this type of differentiation will be 1. Okay, now moving on to the question number 2. Okay, so question number 2. So let's solve question number 2. Here x is equal to a into cos theta plus log tan theta by 2 and y is equal to a sin theta. So we have to differentiate y with respect to x at theta is equal to pi by 4. So here as we can see that x and y both are function of theta. Okay. So to find differentiation of y with respect to x, first of all we'll differentiate y with respect to theta and then divide it by differentiation of x with respect to theta. Okay, so dy by d theta, differentiation of y with respect to theta is equal to d, value of y is a sin theta d theta. So a is constant, so it will be taken out from differentiation. So d sin theta by d theta. A, differentiation of sin theta is cos theta. So dy by d theta is equal to a cos theta. And dx by d theta is equal to, let's take this constant out from differentiation. So a into differentiation of cos theta with respect to theta plus differentiation of log of tan theta by 2 with respect to theta. Okay, so here a, differentiation of cos theta is minus sin theta. Now here to differentiate log tan theta by 2 we'll apply chain rule. So differentiation of log is 1 by, differentiation of log x is 1 by x. So here differentiation of log tan theta by 2 will be equal to 1 by tan theta by 2. Again we'll differentiate tan theta by 2 with respect to theta. So it will be, differentiation of tan theta is sec square theta. So here theta by 2, so theta by sec square theta by 2 will be the differentiation of tan theta by 2, and then this will be multiplied by 1 by 2. Okay, so we'll get a into minus sin theta plus 1 by 2 tan theta will be written as sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2, and sec square theta by 2 will be written as 1 by cos square theta by 2. Okay, so this will become cos theta by 2. Okay, so here a into minus sin theta plus 1 by 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2, which is equal to a into minus sin theta plus 1 by 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 will be equal to sin 2 theta by 2. By applying the formula of sin 2a, sin 2 theta by 2, which is equal to a minus sin theta plus 1 by sine theta, okay, which is equal to a into minus sine theta minus sine square theta plus 1 by sine theta, okay. A into 1 minus sine square theta by sine theta, which is equal to a cos square theta by sine theta. Now dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. So value of dy by d theta is a cos theta, a cos theta, okay, and value of dx by d theta is a cos square theta by sine theta, okay, which is equal to a cos theta by a cos square theta, and sine square theta will come in numerator. So here cancelling a and cos theta, so we'll have sine theta by cos theta, which is equal to tan theta. Now we have to find dy by dx at theta is equal to pi by 4. So this is the value of dy by dx. Now dy by dx at pi by 4 is equal to tan pi by 4, which is equal to 1. So differentiation of y with respect to x at pi by 4 will be equal to 1. I hope you understood both the questions of differentiation. So we'll meet in next video with some other question. Thank you for watching the video.